రాష్ట్ర పరిశ్రమ రంగంలో మరో కీలక అడుగు పడింది. అమూల్తో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వం అవగాహన ఒప్పందం కుదుర్చుకుంది. ముఖ్యమంత్రి వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి సమక్షంలో ఒప్పంద పత్రాలపై స్పెషల్ చీఫ్ సెక్రటరీ పూనం మాలకొండయ్య, అమూల్ చెన్నై జోనల్ హెడ్ రాజన్ సంతకాలు చేశారు. వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ద్వారా మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్తో సీఎం మాట్లాడారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా సీఎం వైఎస్ జగన్ మాట్లాడుతూ మహిళల జీవితాలను మార్చే క్రమంలో ఇదో గొప్ప అడుగు అన్నారు. వైఎస్ఆర్ చేయూత ఆసరా కింద మహిళలకు 11,000 కోట్ల రూపాయలు సాయం చేశామని, ప్రభుత్వ సహాయం మహిళల జీవితాలను మార్చేందుకు ఉపయోగపడాలని సీఎం ఆకాంక్షించారు. ప్రభుత్వ సహకార డైరీలకు మంచి రోజులు వచ్చాయని, దక్షిణాది రాష్ట్రాలకు గేట్వేగా ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నిలుస్తుందని సీఎం వైఎస్ జగన్ పేర్కొన్నారు.
To the women of Andhra Pradesh especially that whatever we have, the dreams that we have towards them, this is a historic step of both Andhra Pradesh government and Amol coming together, wanting to change the lives of women. I think as far as Andhra Pradesh state is concerned, I think you are well aware of the numbers. I need not explicitly be speaking about the numbers. We're the fourth largest. I was told that, in fact, we're the fourth largest milk-producing state in the country. But in spite of that, only 24% of this is actually going into the organized sector. And even though we produce almost 4 crore liters, yet the plight of the farmers, especially who are into the dairy sector, is so bleak that the rate what is given to these farmers, these milk-producing farmers, is hardly any rate. In fact, during the course of my Padayatra, which has taken place prior to the elections, number of villages where in fact farmers came to me, the women, the dairy farmers came to me. They had given me a liter of bottle of milk, and they also brought me a Kinley mineral water bottle. The rate of 1 liter Kinley bottle is also 22 rupees. So is the rate given for 1 liter of milk. We are launching one women empowerment program by name Cheyuta. And in September, we are launching one more women empowerment program by name Asara. Both these programs, the Cheyuta program deals with almost 25 lakh women, wherein the government of Andhra Pradesh intends to cover every family on a saturation mode, covering SC, ST, BC, and minority. This is the downtrodden section. Every woman from the age of 45 to 60 years is on a saturation basis is identified, and they are given support of 18,750 rupees per annum. And the government is committed to support them for 4 years to the same women, to the same family, so that they ultimately get 75,000 rupees into their hands in these 4 years. And the first year is starting on August 12th. So this kind of commitment is actually costing 4,500 crores to the AP state government to empower these women. And in September, we have another program also focused on women, that is women involved in self-help groups. Around about 90 lakh women are involved in self-help groups, where we are giving them almost 6,700 crores per annum, distributing to these 90 lakh women who are in self-help groups. So in total, we are almost giving 11,000 crores per annum for only women empowerment. So if this money, what is going into the hands of this woman, could actually translate into creating some sustainable asset, which can actually give them recurring revenue sources in partnership with Amol and state government, it can actually totally transform the lives of these women. So this is a big partnership that I am visualizing through you, which can actually transform the fate of these women.